Today, we're talking about something that happens to all of us, paying the bill at a restaurant or cafe.
Yes, it sounds simple, but many English learners feel shy or nervous at that moment. The waiter comes, everyone looks at each other, and then there's silence.
Right! The music is playing, people are chatting, and you're thinking, oh no, what do I say now?
Don't worry. Today, we'll help you feel confident, polite, and calm when asking for the bill.
And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We teach simple English for real life, the English you can really use every day.
Okay, let's begin. You've finished your meal. The waiter is nearby. You want to pay. What do you say?
You can say, could I have the bill, please?
Or, can we get the check, please?
Both are good, but here's something interesting. People in the UK usually say bill. In the US, people say check.
So if you're in London, say bill. If you're in New York, say check. Easy, right?
Let's say it together. Ready? Could I have the bill, please?
Now try the American way. Can we get the check, please?
Perfect. Now, if you want to sound softer or extra polite, you can add a few words.
Yes, you can say, could I have the bill when you have a moment, please?
That shows patience and kindness. Waiters really like that. It's not only about the words, it's also about your tone.
Exactly. Speak with a gentle voice. That's how you sound polite in English.
Let's imagine a small scene. You're having dinner with friends. The waiter walks by.
You smile and say, excuse me, could we get the check when you have a moment, please?
The waiter smiles back, of course. Then, a few minutes later, they bring a small folder.
Now comes the next step. Who pays?
Ah, yes. That can be a little awkward sometimes.
In English, people often say, let's split the bill. That means everyone pays their part.
Or one person might say, it's on me. That means they want to pay for everyone.
If you want to say no politely, you can say, oh no, please, let's split it.
Or, you paid last time, let me take this one.
Let's act it out like friends.
It's on me, Paul.
No, Zara, come on, let's split it.
Seriously, I insist. You got the coffee last time.
All right, but next time it's my turn.
See? That sounds friendly and natural.
In English-speaking countries, politeness doesn't mean being very formal.
It means being calm, friendly, and kind. You don't need perfect grammar, just a warm tone and a smile.
Exactly. Real politeness comes from attitude, not big words.
Let's learn some new words you might hear in a restaurant.
Word 1. Bill. The paper that shows how much you need to pay. Example. Can I have the bill, please?
Word 2. Check. Same meaning as bill, but used in the US.
Word 3. Split. To divide the cost between people. Example. Let's split the bill.
Word 4. Treat. To pay for someone as a kind gesture. Example. It's my treat.
And word 5. Tip. Extra money you give to thank the waiter for their service.
In the US, people usually tip about 15 to 20%.
In the UK, it's around 10 to 12%. Sometimes it's already added to the bill as a service charge.
In some Asian countries, people don't tip at all. It depends on local culture.
If tipping is common and you want to be polite, you can say, keep the change. That means the waiter can keep the small amount left over.
Let's practice with a short story.
You and your friend, Jesse, are in a small cafe in New York. The coffee smells amazing. You both had cheesecake.
The waiter smiles and asks, anything else?
You reply, no thanks. Could we get the check when you have a moment, please?
Of course, the waiter says. A few minutes later, the check arrives.
Jesse smiles, I'll get this one. My treat.
You say, oh, thank you. That's so kind of you.
And that's it. Polite, simple, and friendly English.
Okay, everyone listening, let's practice together.
Say after me. Could I have the bill, please?
Now, another one. Can we get the check when you have a moment, please?
Nice job!
See? When you practice out loud, you sound more natural and confident.
Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Every small step is progress.
Yes, done is better than perfect.
Let's review what we learned today. 1. Could I have the bill, please? 2. Can we get the check, please? 3. Could we split the bill? 4. It's on me. 5. Keep the change.
These are real useful phrases for daily life. Use them the next time you eat out.
And remember, your smile and your tone are just as important as your words.
Exactly. Politeness is not about big grammar, it's about kindness.
Here's a small challenge for you. Next time you go to a cafe or restaurant, try one phrase from today's episode.
Say it slowly, with a smile. Even if your voice shakes a little, that's okay. You're learning.
Every time you try, your confidence grows.
So tell us in the comments, how do people ask for the bill in your country?
We'd love to know, and don't forget to join us next time.
Because next time, we'll talk about what to do if the bill is wrong or if you need to split it with friends.
That's going to be super helpful.
In the last episode, we learned how to ask for the bill politely.
Yes, we said phrases like, could I have the bill, please? And can we get the check, please?
Today, we'll learn what to say when things don't go perfectly, like when the bill is late, wrong, or you need to split it.
Because, let's be honest, real life is not always smooth, right?
Exactly. Sometimes the waiter forgets your bill. Sometimes there's a mistake. Sometimes you're with a big group of friends and need to pay separately.
So today, we'll learn how to stay calm, polite, and confident in those moments.
Okay, let's start with the first situation. You've finished eating, you're ready to go, but 10 minutes pass, still no bill.
You look at your watch, you need to leave soon. What do?
You don't want to sound rude. You just want to remind the waiter politely.
Here's what you can say. Excuse me, could we please get the check when you have a moment?
That sounds kind and patient. You're not complaining, you're just asking nicely.
And if you've already asked once, you can add, sorry to bother you, but could we get the bill, please?
That small phrase, sorry to bother you, makes your tone gentle. It shows respect.
Yes, and that's the key. Respect makes communication smooth and friendly.
Now, let's move to the next situation, paying separately.
Ah, yes, that one. You're with friends, and the waiter brings one big bill. Everyone looks at each other like, what do we do now?
Here's how to say it in English. Could we split the bill, please?
Or, can we pay separately?
Both are simple, polite, and clear.
If you want to explain more, you can say, we're paying separately, one for each person.
Let's act it out.
Here's your check.
Thank you. Could we pay separately, please?
Of course, I'll bring the card machine.
Perfect. That's how easy it is.
And when you finish paying, always say, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Politeness leaves a good impression. People remember kindness.
Now let's talk about another real-life problem, when the bill has a mistake.
Yes, this can make many English learners nervous. But don't worry, you can fix it politely.
Here's a good phrase. Excuse me, I think there's a small mistake on the bill.
Notice the words I think and small mistake. These make your tone soft and friendly.
Exactly. You're not blaming anyone. You're just pointing it out nicely.
Let's try another one. Sorry, but I think we were charged twice for the drink.
Perfect. And don't forget, a smile always helps. Smiling is part of politeness.
Let's do a mini story for practice.
You and your friend Crystal are in a restaurant in Bangkok. You just finished eating.
The waiter brings the bill.
You look at it and notice something strange. It seems higher than expected.
You smile and say, "Excuse me, I think there's a small mistake. We only ordered one curry, not two."
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll fix that right away.
You smile again and say, "No worries, thank you."
See? Calm, polite, and friendly. Everything is solved in seconds.
Let's talk about that magic phrase, no worries.
It means, it's okay, or don't worry about it.
It's short, friendly, and perfect when you want to sound relaxed.
For example, the waiter says, sorry for the wait. You can reply, no worries. Take your time.
That one phrase makes people feel comfortable.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. No worries.
Take your time.
Nice. You sound natural.
In many Western countries, people really value politeness in small moments, like smiling, saying please, or saying thank you.
Yes, even if your grammar isn't perfect, your attitude matters most.
So stay calm, stay kind, and people will always appreciate your effort.
Exactly. English isn't just a language, it's a bridge to connection.
Now, think about the last time you went to a cafe or restaurant. How did you ask for the bill?
Did you feel shy or confident?
Imagine how much easier it will be when you use these new phrases.
Even one polite sentence can change the whole moment.
And remember, if you make a mistake, it's okay. The most polite thing you can do is try your best.
Yes, effort is more powerful than perfection.
Let's review everything we learned in today's episode.
Phrase 1. Excuse me, could we please get the check when you have a moment?
Phrase 2. Sorry to bother you, but could we get the bill, please?
Phrase 3. Could we split the bill, please?
Phrase 4. Excuse me, I think there's a small mistake on the bill.
And our golden phrase, no worries.
Short, simple, and perfect for friendly English.
Okay, let's look at a few useful words again. 1. When you have a moment means not urgent. Example, could we get the check when you have a moment?
2. It's on me means I'll pay for it. Example, don't worry, dinner is on me.
3. Keep the change means you don't need to return the small amount left. Example, here's $10. Keep the change.
These phrases are small, but they make your English sound polite and natural.
Okay, challenge time again.
Next time you eat out, try using one of these phrases. Maybe, could we split the bill, please? Or, no worries, take your time.
Say it clearly with a smile. You'll feel proud and confident.
And remember, every time you practice, you're improving.
That's right. Every word builds confidence. Every mistake teaches you something.
If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Studying Careers and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, have you ever had a funny or awkward moment when paying the bill? We'd love to hear your story.
Next time, we'll learn how to compliment someone's cooking politely and naturally.
That's going to be a fun one.
Until then, keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep learning real English with us.
Remember, politeness isn't just about words. It's about connection.
Exactly. You're already doing great.
See you next time.
Bye for now.